Hola, soy Santi.
Hi, I'm Angela.
Together we're realizing our dream of relocating to my homeland in the south of Spain.
Along with our Australian Shepherd Levi, we want to share our passion for the Mediterranean lifestyle, where the sun shines more than 320 days a year.
So if you like this video and you want to join us on our journey, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Living La Vida Costa.
'Cause I found my way.
Here we are. Today's trip was about an 18-minute drive towards Cartagena, and we are in
San Pedro de PINATAR, and we're checking out the pink salt lakes. And I'm not sure if you can see behind me, but there are tons of flamingos, so we're gonna go check that out.
Yeah.
We're gonna check out the beach, and apparently there's some mud baths here, so we might get dirty. So we're gonna bring you along with us.
I'm gonna throw Angela.
We're gonna have a mud fight.
It's gonna be a mud fight. So other than that, we've never been here.
No.
Never. It's all these little salt lakes.
Yeah.
There's a whole collection of them, and there's like paths in between. It's actually quite popular.
Yeah. Like a nature reserve almost.
We're about 100 meters into the walk, and I'm like, is this when we break open the beer?
No.
No, not yet.
We haven't earned it yet, hun.
Okay, all right. So as you can see,
there's a lot of cars in the parking lot, so where are they headed?
beach.
Oh, okay.
They've gone to the beach. We've gone
To the desert.
path less traveled. Yeah, that's us.
Yeah.
Crazy, wild Canucks. All right, so we've kind of did a bit of a trail through the dunes, and it looks like we're approaching another part of the beach. What do you think? They're not a bad spot?
Yeah.
Ish. 50-kilometer winds. It's pretty windy.
Yeah.
All right, let's go check something out. It was okay. Beach. Yeah, the beach was meh.
Meh.
We're beach snobs, I guess, at this point.
Sorry if you enjoy this beach, but
I mean, it might be good maybe if the wind wasn't.
Maybe if it wasn't as windy.
Yeah, so we're gonna head back to the car. We saw a really good spot to park, where it looks like all the nature trails are, and that's why we're both wearing
Dressed,
backpacks.
yeah.
We've got like a day's worth of beer. I mean, water. Most people bring a lot of water. We bring water and a few beers. So if it's like an oh shit moment, we're gonna die, we open a can of beer.
Same beach.
It's the same beach, but we've come down a bit. So we were over here. Now we're over here. Salinas de San Pedro, Playa Dunas. Oh, well, they actually have lifeguards all the way out here too.
Okay.
So there's a path this way, and then there's observation 400 meters. So I think we're gonna go check out the observation point.
Yeah,
I'm gonna climb this tower, but I think it's closed.
Yeah.
I don't know. Try the door.
No.
No. All right, we ain't going up the tower. It's a huge tower anyway. Yeah, massive. I would have been afraid. Okay, we're gonna sneak.
Ooh.
This is what we do. We go in the box, and we sneak into the box, and then we see the different type of birds, and then we look out here. There they are. I see them. They have no idea we're here.
Pink salt lakes at Las Salinas are famous for their vibrant pink color, and yes, they really are this pink, created by a unique mix of algae and high salt concentration. This striking natural phenomenon and natural wonder makes the area a must-see destination. During migration season, Las Salinas becomes a haven for thousands of flamingos, and they are so beautiful up close and personal. These elegant birds gather in large numbers, creating a mesmerizing spectacle in the natural landscape. The boardwalk in San Pedro is lined with lively chiringuitos and bars, perfect for enjoying a drink or a bite while taking in the views. The iconic windmill adds historical charm to the area, and the path is shaded by palm trees, making it ideal for walking and biking. You can also rent kayaks and explore the scenic waters, enhancing your outdoor experience.
So we can come here and rent a kayak.
Yeah.
For 20 euros for an hour for a double, or 10 euros for a single.
Mud fight. Whoop whoop.
You'll notice in this clip that I turn around and I mouth the words hot. The sand actually felt really hot, and that's because it absorbs and retains heat from the direct sunlight, especially on sunny days. The mud baths are rich in minerals, including zinc, potassium, sulfur, and magnesium. They help exfoliate the skin, soothe muscle and joint pain, and reduce stress, offering a natural way to enhance overall wellness.
Water, and we're going to try this out.
How's it smell?
Disgusting. Oh my gosh, it's putrid. It is nasty. People pay hundreds of dollars to go to a spa to do this. This was absolutely free, so if you are in the area, I highly recommend it.
It was interesting. We sweat quite a bit.
Yes.
Our hike turned into a bit of a comedy. On that note, like we said, you know, one of our goals was to discover different spots in Spain, and although we're 12 kilometers away from our house, but that actually was a very nice area, extremely nice area. As far as like being able to bike or run. That was a dream come true. It's all trails. Yeah. But that was our goal. We took you along for today's ride. I hope you laughed at us and with us.
And with us, yeah.
But we'll see you on the next one.
See you in the next one.
What a great day. We hiked, we saw the pink salt lakes, enjoyed the hot mud baths, and the majestic flamingos. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we'd love it if you did. Adios, amigos.